Technology has the power to transform how we interact with property, both as a business and as a primal human need, shelter. ZAMA will bring that possibility to reality and recalibrate the business of property in Nigeria.
My name is Abdul Hakim Sadiq Adamu. I am the CEO founder of the company known as ZAMA. ZAMA is a technology firm driven and focused in the real estate industry. I previously was working with a very reputable firm known as Jones Lang LaSalle. I started my career in JLL Dubai, where I started as a research analyst. In that particular path, I was basically exposed to a completely different way in which real estate operated from a more calculative and a more educated point of view. Starting my career there basically exposed me to how the professionals actually transacted or actually functioned in real estate. And that exposure actually motivated me for the need to come back home and actually do similar standards of service in our market. I'm very passionate about real estate. I've always wanted to go into real estate development, but my experience and training within JLL actually showed me a completely different side of real estate. And that actually supported my desire to want to actually set up an independent and innovative real estate firm. And that's basically how ZAMA started up. I recently left JLL and decided to focus my attention in bringing to our market a very innovative and specialized product that I believe can mitigate a lot of the peculiar challenges that we have in the Nigerian real estate space. So having done that, I had to basically employ the services of professionals that helped me to build an online and mobile application that I believe, once launched into the Nigerian market space, can help the key participants in this market, which are the property investors, the property owners, and then also the users, the average people like you and me that are looking for that right property and just can't find it, or are looking for the right way to actually even price or even value their property. So these are challenges that we have, that we're facing in this market, and I believe with the advent of technology, it can help us use data and actually help us guide our decisions the right way. So basically, we have a team. It's a small team, but a very professional team that is working to build custom-made services and products that can help the various participants in the market, albeit being a developer, or even if you are a broker, or even if you're a property owner.
ZAMA is a Nigerian real estate company driven by technology and international best practice, with a prime focus on the real estate sector and driven by a passionate team committed to solving the myriad of problems within the African real estate space using technology.
I'm very passionate about my home, and I want to see us progress, and I want to see Nigeria actually compete with international standards. It's no secret that there are challenges with policies in the Nigerian real estate space, but I believe products like ours can come in and cause disruptions that can further motivate the need for more legislations and even implementation of existing policies. So we are here to support the market as best as possible.
The ZAMA brand name is a creation that embodies the concept of residing in a place and searching for a location that works. ZAMA is a word borrowed from the local dialect of Hausa, which is widely spoken in northern Nigeria, which means to sit or stay. We also borrowed the word Nema, which in Hausa means to search or seek. Both words represent the core components in the real estate process, and when joined together, as in our logo, means searching for a place to stay. The real estate market in Nigeria is largely unregulated and exposes itself to unprofessional brokers, lack of data, and transparency. ZAMA was created out of the need to change the status quo and empower the market to make the processes of searching and acquiring property easy, transparent, and value-driven. ZAMA is positioned to recalibrate the sector using data and technology.
The technology makes ZAMA very different. The people in ZAMA are very experienced. They also bring a personal touch. We're very aggressive individuals, quite young, and we believe in providing a service that will be very satisfying to the customer at the end of the day. So we try to add value in everything we do.
Unlike traditional online property platforms, ZAMA inspires you with data and inspiration to make smart decisions. Agents are empowered with tools to keep them informed on the real estate cycle and mobile applications to monitor and acquire new listings.
What makes ZAMA special is the caliber of people that we have in our team, and then also the innovative tool we're developing to help mitigate the challenges of the Nigerian real estate space. We understand, based on the research that we've conducted, that a lot of people have challenges in transacting in this space. There's an issue with trust, there's an issue with data, there's an issue with having access to even verified owners of property. But with ZAMA, we are working to help resolve this issue and make sure that the industry is more transparent and people have access to data that can further motivate them to make better informed business decisions.
At ZAMA, the culture is people, technology, and process.
Special is the innovation-driven mindset and the caliber of people that we work with. So basically, I have a team of professionals who understand the problems that we have in our market and are tirelessly working every day to look for innovative ways to solve these problems. So we do have a local team that does that, and we're supported by international affiliates. Recently, we also contracted Deloitte to support us with creating a structure for the business, because we understand the implication of what we're trying to do, and we needed to do something the right way.
ZAMA's premier agent is one of the many ways the company will put its weight and resources behind local agents and agencies, helping them get access to a global market, and with the help of ZAMA's Google-powered map feature that geotags properties and agents on the portal for easy access to local and international buyers.
ZAMA is launching into the Nigerian market space myriads of exciting products and services, one of which is known as the ZAMA Premier Agent. We would love you to try this product out and see how it changes your activities as a professional agent or as a professional agency. These products are tailor-made to help you manage listings and even track listings based on territorial jurisdictions. These are one of a few products that we're actually looking to help solve the problems a lot of local agents are dealing with in the Nigerian market.
ZAMA is poised to redefine the real estate space in Africa, starting with Nigeria and ensuring greater value for all players in the industry.
Our technology is basically catering for all the players in the real estate space. We're currently starting with Nigeria, but we envision that in the next 2 to 3 years we would definitely grow out of Nigeria and into other African markets. We are very ambitious at heart, but we are supported with the right type of investors and then also with the right type of market data to use to actually launch a platform like this. So I would want to take this opportunity to welcome you into the ZAMA family, and hope that you will use the platform that we are building to actually help better decisions in the real estate space.
Join the winning team and let's show you how to be ahead of the property business. Find out more at zama.ng. ZAMA, Nigeria's starting point for property.